Google is leaving nothing behind. What's up guys, so the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro are indeed the hottest phones of the year. These are the flagship phone that I think anyone should wait for if they are looking to buy one at this moment. Before we begin, I just want to remind you that today is the last day to enter my Galaxy Buds 2 giveaway, so link for that is mentioned in the description. Now, historically speaking, whenever you buy a Pixel phone, you're always giving up features for the sake of that camera. Whether it's a smaller battery or lower fast charging or having not as wide of an ultra-wide angle lens as the competition, you always had to lose something, but this time they're literally not leaving anything behind on the table. So apart from these awesome specifications including the periscope camera, that huge battery and 12 gigs of RAM for the first time on a Pixel flagship phone, Google is also bringing the extra stuff. The Pixel 6 family will have faster wireless charging than both Apple and Samsung's flagship phone. It's actually going to come at 23 watts. According to the news, there will be a brand new Pixel stand that will support this fast charging wireless standard for the upcoming Pixel 6 family. And like I said, it is actually more than S21 series 15 watt charging, which is also the same standard for Apple's MagSafe charging. Now, it's not just the wireless charging that is faster. Google could also improve their wired charging, coming at 33 watts, which is again more than Samsung's 25 watt and Apple's 20 watt wired charging. Also, Pixel 6 series will be Google's first smartphones to come out with UWB, aka ultra wideband technology. Once again, this info is legit because it's actually coming from Google's own Android software code. This is one of those features which look small on paper, but they're actually very important for that long-term usage. Now, with UWB, the Pixel 6 devices are compatible with all the UWB based tech out there. For example, the object trackers that we have seen from Samsung, the Galaxy Smart Tag, or Apple's AirTag, and of course other devices in the market. For those who don't know, UWB is far more accurate and can transmit much more data than Bluetooth, so it's a fairly new tech, and like I said, it's something that's needed for future proofing. Now, last but not the least, Google has officially confirmed that the Pixel 6 family won't have a charger out of the box similar to Apple, Samsung, and other brands. Again, no surprise there at all. Now, seems like Google is doing all the right things. They're bringing the flagship phones with the most packed features ever on a Pixel device. The only thing that I'm concerned about is the pricing. The Pixel 6, in my opinion, should be around $700 range, while the Pro should hopefully be around $1,000 at the minimum, since Galaxy S21 Ultra and the iPhone 12 Pro will already start at that price. So the crazy move would be to beat those prices and start the Pro model at $900, but that's a wishful thinking. I hope they make the right pricing decision and of course do the right marketing. That's all the latest news. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to enter my Galaxy Buds 2 giveaway. Today is the last day to enter. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.